this is Mo and once again welcome into my channel Gadget Infinity. So today I'm going to make an unboxing video of the latest version gaming headset for PS4. This is the version Tech Kotian G2000 level of headset. This is the model of G2000 level, and it comes with a USB of 3.5 jack and also had a headband with mic stereo bass LED light. This headphone not only works in PS4 but also with PC, computer, laptop, mobile phone, etc. So I ordered this headphone. This is basically a gaming headphone. I ordered this headphone a couple of days ago from Amazon.in, and I must appreciate the delivery, the delivery service, the courier service of Amazon, cause in a very short span of time I have received this product. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get into the unboxing video. I still don't know what is inside this package. Although you can see I have opened this part up because I always feel trouble in opening this portion. So I have already done it, not to so as to not to make the video get clumsy. That's why I have already cut this portion. Now let's see what lies inside. Okay, so this is the package. Okay, what is this? Okay, so this is the manuals. Okay, this is totally written in Chinese. Not a single thing you can understand until and unless you know the language or you want to become a Chinese or something like that. Till then you can't understand a single thing. See, so this manual is no use of mine. And let's see what is this. This is the Kotian Black Pro gaming headset. As I told you that this headset is pretty famous for its gaming, streaming of games, live games, and also this headset is also famous for pretty much doing everything. Whatever each headset has their own job, this headset is famous for fulfilling those jobs very well. So this is the Kotian Black Pro gaming headset. This is, oh god, this is again Chinese. If anybody understands this language, please tell me what is written here. I mean, why are they wasting any more papers while writing this manual? Because it is becoming useless, right? You can't understand anything. So why are they wasting any more papers? I don't understand. Only the address is written in English. Whoa, wow. Okay, so this portion is also written in English. Thank God. I can understand a little bit. Okay, so there are some instruction is given of this application of this product. Some instruction, some basic instruction has been written. The warranty instruction, which is very important, the warranty instruction is given here. Before opening this package or using this package, please try to read all the specifications which will help you in near future. So this is the product warranty card, although nothing is written here. No date or nothing like that it is written here, but the product warranty card is there. I guess that if you have any problem with this headset in near future, then you have to take the Amazon. If you ordered it from Amazon, then you have to take the Amazon invoice of this particular product, get a printout, and then attach this warranty card with that Amazon invoice and take to the nearby service center of this particular product, and then only they will entertain your warranty of this product. Otherwise they don't, cause nothing is written there, not a date of purchase or something like that. So as a result, you have to print a invoice and you have to give an attachment of that invoice with this product, with this warranty card of this product, and then also then only you will be entertained in the service center. And if anything happens in future, that only I'm telling. Otherwise it's good. I mean, like, I love this, this two warranty card. Why? Not only not because it is written in Chinese, obviously for that reason I hate it, but why I love this manual. Whenever I buy something, some gadget or something other, some other electronic goods, I find this number of manual cards, this bunch of manual cards, but here is only two. So this is pretty good. I mean, you don't have to read much. Okay, so this is the main product. Let's take it out. And in the Amazon package there is nothing except some vacuum pouches. Except some of the vacuum pouches, we have nothing in this Amazon cardboard. So let's keep it aside. And this is the headset. This is the company packaging. This is the Kotian Edge Pro gaming headset. As I told you that this headset is very, very famous for pro gaming. So this is also written that here Kotian Edge Pro gaming headset. Also it is written it is a G2000 level of model, and nothing much is written. Okay, in the side here it is given the USB, whatever, the USB jack, the two audio and mic jack, and also here is the volume up and down button. And I don't understand what is this, because these two words are written in in Chinese. What these two these words, what these two words mean, that we will be understanding when I will be taking out the product from this box. Okay, so that is the thing. Okay, very important thing is there. Here are the specifications. Thank God this is written in English. Here are the specifications of this gadget, of this headset. I prefer whenever I bring some of my gadget, or just buy some of my gadget from my favorite gadget. I always read these specifications before using this product, or any type of specifications before using any types of gadget. Because I believe in one thing, that if you take care of the gadget, if you take care of your electronic goods very well, then the electronic goods will last long, the gadgets will last long, and they will take care of you as well. So read this instructions, they read these specifications very well, and take care of this headset, and I believe that it will last long if you do that. Okay, so these are the specifications that you can read. And also I want to show you that this is totally made in China, not in India or not in some other specific country. This is a Chinese product, this is totally made in China. So the thing is that I must tell you that you have gotten warranty card, right? You have gotten warranty card, and I really don't I don't know that whether you will be getting a service center of this particular company nearby to you, because this is a totally Chinese product. And I don't know that whether Chinese product has service center in India or not. At least nearby my place there is, I don't think so that I will be getting some of the service center of this particular company, because this is a total Chinese product. So if you don't have the service center, if you don't have anything, the customer service center or something like that, then I don't think so that this warranty card will help you much. Because with the invoice, with the warranty card, you will go where? You can't go China with this product to get it repaired, right? So you need a service center. And if it is totally have a Chinese it is made up of total made in a China product, and if you don't have if you are unlucky enough and don't have a service center near you, then I think you should um, think before you buy this thing. So this warranty card is no helpful to me, at least to me, because I have no service center nearby. Okay, beside this, these are the little images of the headphone, nothing else. These are the QR code. I don't know why this QR code is given here, I don't know, but these are the little images. Okay, so let's not waste any more time. Let's open this package, let's see what it is there. Okay, so here comes the product. This is the product. Let's take it out. Okay, so this is the product. A very good bubble wrap has been wrapped with this product. Now I want to say 2 lines for this bubble wrap, because I love bubble wrap. 2 reasons. Because first reason is that this bubble wrap, this kind of papers always keep your product safe from being damaged in the delivery process. So that is the reason I love bubble wrap. And another reason is this, I can play with it. So this is the product. I must tell you, this is heavy. This is literally very heavy, because it's bulky in nature. You can see this is very, very bulky in nature. This headset gives a very classy look, because first of all this headset comes with a very glossy shine, and if you can see, it is a very steel coated I don't know you can see clearly or not, the the light reflects a lot in this area. This is a very steel coated portion, and the plastic area, the plastic, oh my god, the plastic quality is very good, I must tell you. The plastic quality is very good. And here is the microphone. And as I told you that I have ordered this in blue, and this is totally in a blue color. And this is the black portion, plastic portion. This literally gives you a feeling, if you are a gamer, if you love to play games, online games or something like that, if you are a gamer like me, then this model, you will like this model, because this model is like they have taken a very good design like a pro gamer. Any gamer will like this kind of model, this gives a classy model. This gives a classy model, and this gives a sharp edges. The edges you can see, this is a very good sharp edges, a very clear cut sharp edges. And also in the headband, you can see a very good sponge has been provided in the headband, because if you wear it for a long period of time, and as it is a bulky in nature, then there is a chance, very good chance to have a headache, because this is bulky and you have to carry out placing this headset in your head for a longer period of time. That's why they have provided a good amount of sponge in the headband. And also this sponge is very good when the head jack the earphone sponge is very good. And I can't understand the quality of this sound, because I haven't tested it. I just opened this product, and I will be posting a review on this particular product, that how this product works and how the sound quality is. And also I will be giving you the quality of this product in that review option, review video. And if you want to check that review video, then please do keep a check on this in this particular unboxing video, because as soon as I made that review of that particular review video in future about this product, I will be posting that link in this unboxing video. So keep on checking, and very soon I will be giving a review of the sound quality, and also the texture, and also the other qualities of this headset. And as I told you, this is a very good, and this is bulky, and I think I will have a headache while wearing this. So this is the portion you can extend your headset. This is a portion of extend, you can extend in headset, and any types of size of your, if you have a small what I will say, any types of headset, in any types of head, I will tell, any type of head it will get fitted, because it can be extended or it can be shortened out. And I love this thing, I love this, I don't know, I love this color, I love this sponge, I love this plastic material, and this is very good. The mic is very good. This is a short mic, I mean this doesn't comes with a sponge. Some other headphone comes with the sponge mic, that is very very ridiculous to me. But this headphone feels will give you when you will be doing online gaming or something like that, online video, sorry, this headset will give you a nice feeling. This headset will come, will have a little bit will maintain a little bit of distance from your cheek, and it will give a comfy to your cheek. So this is the headset, complete headset. Now the cord comes with the now let's come in the cord. The cord is very good, the cord is very thick, so that you can I don't think so that this headset will literally get damaged very soon, because this cord is very good. But I must say that this portion, the microphone portion, is little big. This comes with this this much of width. And I don't know what, this is not a button, but this is something, I don't know, until and unless I connect it with my laptop, I can't understand what is this. At least now I can say this is not a button, this is something else, I don't know. Okay, so this is the volume up and down button. You can volume up and you can volume down by scrolling it up and down. And this is okay, so this is the thing that if you push up, then the microphone will work. Now if you push it up, then the microphone will stop working. Only if you want to listen to some music or something like that, if you want to do something audio, then you don't need the microphone feature like. So to stop the microphone feature while listening to the audio or something like listening to the music or something like that, then you have to just push it up, and the microphone option will go off. The microphone will stop working. And if you want to do some live streaming game videos or something like that, where you need the microphone, or if you want to talk with someone else in the Skype, or if you want to have a video chat with audio, then of course you need need the microphone at that point of time. Then you have to push it down, so to enable the microphone option. So if you push it down, then the microphone and the audio and the mic will work, both will work. And if you push it up, then only the system, the audio facility of this headset will work. So this is very simple, nothing much complications. Okay, so coming to the jack, this is a USB cord provided to you along with this headset, because if you put inside the USB port, this USB jack enables you to switch on or get connected with your laptop or computer with this headset. And this is the mic and audio jack. And if you want to put on, it is said that this headset is totally compatible with the mobile phones, the smartphones. But I must tell you that mobile phones, most of the 90% mobile phones doesn't have that both audio and mic jack. So you will be needing only audio jack. And if your mobile phone is compatible with the mic, then I don't know whether this only single jack will work with the about this audio or mic together in the mobile phones. I don't know. A single jack will work these two features in mobile phones. I don't know about that. I will be posting into my review videos. Until and unless I use this, I don't know. And this is the three jacks, nothing else. So this is very very simple headset with a very classy look, with a very gaming look, a very bulky, very strong. I find this headset very strong. And so this is the unboxing video of this headset. And later on, as I told you, that I will be posting a full review of this headset, that how this headset is working, what is the inner quality or inner feature and the sound quality of this headset. And I will be giving you the link in the description box. Then please click on the on that link, that I will be posting in future on this particular video, about that review video of this particular headset. And till now I should complete my video right here. And in this channel, in this Gadget Infinity channel, I give a lot of information about apps, Android apps, and also some unboxing and full review of various gadgets. If you like to see, I've started this channel very recently, and if you like to see any other kinds of videos, other kinds of gadget videos or apps videos, then please do suggest me, suggest me in the description box, in the comment box, I must say, in the comment box. And I hope I can give you some more exciting videos in the near future. And if you want to see some more exciting videos about the gadget or technology, upcoming technology in near future, then please do consider subscribing my channel. Till then, thank you, bye bye. And this is a very complete video, unboxing video, detailed description video of this headset. And just keep an eye for my review of this headset, upcoming review of this headset. Till then, thank you, bye bye, and see you on my next video.